Happy Monday, everyone. I know I've been going and missing and gone. Thanks for everyone that's tuning in today. Happy Monday. It's Amanda back with you with another live video. Hey, Mona, thanks for everyone that's tuning in. Let me know where you're tuning in from. And if you are watching this later on in the day, hashtag replay for me. What I want to do is open up some packages that I received and talk about our webinar that we have coming up. That's actually tomorrow. And I would love for people to tune into this webinar. It's going to be tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where we're going to talk about how it's much easier to earn a full-time income with direct mail, easier than it has ever been, because now we have closers who do all of the selling and telling for you. But not only that, you can actually start mailing out 5,000 postcards and start earning a full-time income. And I'm going to share exactly how to do that. So for those that don't know, I've been doing this from home since 2016. Yes, very long time, and earning a full-time income. And I love what I do. I'm here in my home office, as you guys can see behind me. If you're watching this on YouTube, just in the description will be more information about this opportunity. So here we have a payment that came in from Martha from Connecticut. She sent in a $50 payment. And this is all, guys, this is all from direct mail. As you do it and the more consistent you are, the more money you'll make. And what I want people to know is once you hit around 5,000, and of course 5,000 postcards in a mailing will be done over a certain period of time. It's not going to be overnight, and it's not going to happen within your 30 days. I always tell people, if you're going to do a 5,000 postcard drop, you need to do that over several months, okay? And what you'll start to see is as those mailings go out, more people will sign up. I'm getting a ton of calls from just the postcards, and I'm going to actually order some postcards today, and when they come, I'll show you guys what they look like and what I'm going to actually do with them, because some of them are going to go in the mail, and then some of them are going to go into high traffic locations here, right here in the Albany area, where people will be able to get more information about the opportunity. Hey, Justina. Hey, Aunt Tyrion. So yes, tomorrow is our webinar. It will be at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Please make sure that you register. The information, the link will be in the comment section, and it will also be on my YouTube in the description area for you to register, okay? So here we have a payment that came in from Dane from California. Sent it in a magazine. A lot of people do that just so people don't know what they're sending in, which is a good thing. And what we have here is a payment of $20 that came in from Dane and one book of stamps, okay? With this opportunity, guys, you're going to also be able to receive electronic payments. So you can give out your Zelle information, your Google Pay, your Cash App, whatever, your PayPal, whatever it is that you have, you can give that information out, and you can get electronic payments on top of payments by mail. So I've been getting a ton of electronic payments lately, and those payments are coming to me directly to my bank account, okay? And that's another way to get instant payments for people who sign up using your link. So here we have a payment that came in from Sonia from Florida, and I received another $20 payment and one book of stamps. Thanks so much, Sonia. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, and then what we're going to be doing is basically showing people how to market the opportunity, how to use different platforms to market the opportunity, and how to do it consistently. Not only that, we have a Facebook group, we have weekly webinars, weekly trainings, where you can get more information on how to basically do this the right way, okay? And how to promote the opportunity the right way. Guys, if I could do it, anybody could do it, okay? And then here I have something that came in the mail from Tracy. Let's see, this is a pretty big envelope. There's hardly nothing in it. So let's see what we have here. Hey, Mary Jo. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Hey, Natalie. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Zamar. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Del. Right now, I don't know if you can hear my printer going off, but I'm making copies for those who join my direct mail solution, which is a training that I put together for people who need help with marketing their opportunity. Okay, so this is another $20 payment from Tracy from Missouri and another book of stamps. Last week alone, I did over $5,000 in direct mail payments, which was a really good week. And for those that don't know, this is the season to be in this business. This is when you're going to make the most money and where it's going to be very consistent. Okay, so right now it's called our peak season. It's a time of the year when a lot of people get involved in offline and online opportunities, but offline mainly because it's easy to duplicate. Hey, Monica, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Eric, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Robert, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Elba. Hey, Lisa. So I just wanted to give you guys that information. Tomorrow, our webinar, again, it's going to be 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. If you want to get more information about this opportunity, just get the levels, how it works, how much you can earn, hear testimonials from other people who are making a decent amount of money with this opportunity. They also have a done-for-you, off-hands service. So if you don't want to basically have to worry about sending stuff in the mail, you don't have a lot of time, they have a done for you service as well. So you'll have more information about that when you join the webinar tomorrow. It's going to be for probably 45 minutes to an hour. We're going to be off and on, and you're going to love it because you're going to hear where a lot of people are sharing information about how to earn a full-time income from home, how people are using postcard marketing to earn consistently, and how you can do the same thing. So I would love to see as many people as possible. Again, guys, there's exciting times ahead. We already have over 200 members in Passive Profits, and it's going to continue to grow. We have closers that are doing all of the selling and telling, basically explaining about the opportunity and how to educate people on how direct mail works. So we are not in a selling stage. We're about providing information, enough education so that people can make an educated decision based off of what they're hearing. And that's what we want to do. We want to make sure that people know what's possible when you decide to do direct mail. And that's what this is all about. So we're sharing and educating. And I would love that everyone comes out again tomorrow. I will be there 5:30 Eastern time. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in today. Happy Monday. Stay inspired. If you're looking to join any offline or online business opportunity, it can happen for you as it does for many of people that's out there that are looking to earn a full-time income from home. There's so many people that I have in my network that earn 6 figures and 7 figures a year just doing this, and you can be one of those people. You have to just get started. Don't compare it to any other opportunity that's out there because it's not like any other opportunity. You have to stay consistent and stay connected with like-minded people. I know it may sound cliche, a lot of people say it, but it is true. And that's what worked for me. That's what allowed me to go from making hardly anything online to earning 6 figures online by being consistent and staying connected with people who were doing the things that I wanted to do, that were doing this consistently, that was able to show me the way. Okay, so that's what I'm doing for others. Thanks again so much for tuning in, guys, and I will see you tomorrow at 5:30 Eastern time.